trying to get the birdcage. Part 4 again. Oh god. Please work this time. Oh, there's another bird in there. Great. Ah! The bird needs to get out. Oh my god. Ah! I'm so close. I can just do this and... Ah! Okay, I'm just gonna take a break for a second. I'm gonna go... Actually, I'm gonna keep going there. Okay, hold on. I think it's right there. It's so hard. Don't wait. I'm just gonna go somewhere random. I don't even know where. Ooh, paint. Ah! Okay. Yes! Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna jump down now. Hold on, I'm gonna actually wait. Oh! Oh, oh. There, okay. Okay. So I finished this series, and now we've got to do a different series of a different game. So,